on, let's go. Oh, what are you doing? Stupid mother... Alright guys, it's been roughly about a week or two that I haven't been able to ride the bike because it's been out of commission. Also, I got in that accident 3 weeks ago, so I also couldn't ride because I couldn't put on a helmet. The bike is done. I'm going to go down to PEV Works and see what they did to it. I had them put on the back brake, the Magura, and they had to bleed it, and then they also had to do a few different things, so I want to go down and see what they modded onto it. Guys, down at PEV Works, this is actually the new place. There's Sandra right there doing her stuff. Then we got the guys way back there, and the bike is done. This is the front of the shop, and then we got all these fools in the back working. Bye. All right, well, it looks nice. Let's see how it rides now. Oh, that feels a little bit weird. Oh man, I'm gonna have to get used to that. These Magura brakes are fucking awesome. They're almost too strong. In San Francisco with the fucking hills, you need really good brakes. Bike is back in working condition. We have the new Magura brake on here, which just, oh, it feels so nice. It looks nice. Had to take this in, put it in a little bit, so still have the power switches and everything here. Then they had to cut off right there, the old one, and then we put the Magura right here, so that way this will fit flushly. But that's kind of what they did to it. Still got the Envision straps. God damn, that thing is loud. Bruh.